Assalamualaikum, fourth year. My name is Dr. Zatasha, and the topic of today's tutorial is geriatrics. Geriatrics basically is the branch of medicine or social science that deals with the health and care of old people. Um, Generally, we consider 60 years and above age to be considered under old age, right? Old age is a natural process and it is an incurable disease. Um, in Pakistan, if you look at the statistics, um, there in 2019 in a survey, 7% of the population of Pakistan was over 60 years of age. In this slide, you can see some of the terms. These terms are basically linked with geriatrics. ठीक है? अच्छा, gerontology. What is gerontology? Gerontology is basically the study of physical and psychological changes which are incident to old age. ठीक है? Now the care of the aged is called clinical gerontology और जीरियाट्रिक्स जैसे कि हमने पढ़ा है कि उसमें हम उसकी हेल्थ और केयर को देख रहे हैं. ठीक है, ये इंटरलिंक टर्म्स हैं. अच्छा, गेरोंटोलॉजी एज अ होल आपने देख लिया, फिजिकल एंड साइकोलॉजिकल, और क्लिनिकल में आपने उसकी केयर को देख लिया. ठीक है, उसके बाद आ गया आपका सोशल गेरोंटोलॉजी. सोशल गेरोंटोलॉजी क्या होता है? बेसिकली जो ह्यूमैनिटेरियंस हैं या उन्होंने देखा कि जी सोशल एस्पेक्ट्स को भी हमें ओल्ड एज को कवर करना है. ठीक है, ऑल्सो देवर इंक्रीजिंग नंबर ऑफ ओल्ड एज पॉपुलेशन, सो दैट्स वाई दे स्टार्टेड this separate field in gerontology. Social gerontology is basically it is a subfield of gerontology, and it focuses on the social aspect of growing old, right? The people, the humanitarians, the professionals in this field, they are trying to improve the interactions between older adults and rest of the world. ठीक है, rest of the world में कौन कौन आ जाएगा? आपके friends आ जाते हैं, family members आ जाते हैं, then there are healthcare professionals if you want to seek any help. Okay, next term is experimental gerontology. Experimental, as its name suggests, ठीक है, it is concerned with research into the basic biological problems of the old population. ठीक है, उसमें आप उनकी physiology, biochemistry, pathology, psychology, everything में आप there is a wide scope for research. Okay, so this is experimental gerontology. Then there is geriatric gynecology. अच्छा, इसके नाम से भी पता चल रहा है कि गायनकोलॉजिकल जो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं इन ओल्ड एज पॉपुलेशन, दिस इज comparatively a new field, you can say. And in this, basically more patients, they are coming for the repair of uh, prolapse of varying degrees, and there are non-specific vaginitis issue, ovarian tumors, psychic aberrations, and sexual problems. ठीक है. Mortality trends among the old population or aged. Mortality word you all know. Mortality means death. ठीक है, उसके trends among the aged population. ठीक है, this has it basically differs from developing to developed to underdeveloped countries to different parts of the world, but as a whole if we see, it has improved. The basically the old population that was dying a few decades ago due to diseases, certain diseases, they have improved. The quality of life has improved, the quantity of life has improved as a whole. Why? Because the medical science and improvement in social conditions has led to this change. ठीक है ना? As a whole, if we see specific preventive and therapeutic techniques, they have been implemented in different countries and territories to address the growing health needs related to the population aging. Not only the health needs, but also the psychological. But right now we are looking at mortality, so yes, health needs you have to focus. And then you have targeted the diseases. This has decreased the number of deaths that were previously occurring due to old age. In this slide, we are going to study about the health problems related to old age. As we have discussed earlier that chronological age of 60 years above is regarded as people that are 60 years above are considered old. but your biological age, ठीक है, it you can the aging process can start early if you worry too much, if you have doubt all the time, fear, anxiety, and distrust. um, अच्छा, there is another expression, another word, senescence, ठीक है, which is used with old age. This is basically an expression used for the deterioration in the vitality or the lowering of the biological efficiency that accompanies aging. ठीक है, तो ये इसका एक अलग से एक एक्सप्रेशन यूज होता है सेनेसेंस के नाम से. अच्छा, अब we all know that with the passage of time, as as you age, certain changes takes place in an organism. Now these are, I have enumerated some of the issues that old people encounter, ठीक है. Number one is senile cataract, then there is glaucoma, nerve damage, nerve deafness, or you can say um, डेफनेस ड्यू टू ओल्ड एज, ठीक है. ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस होता है, एम्फाइजीमा होता है, एंड मेंटल चेंजेस आ जाती हैं ओल्ड एज के साथ, ठीक है. अच्छा, आई एम श्योर यू गाइज ऑलरेडी नो अबाउट ऑल दीज टर्म्स, बट आई एम गोइंग टू गिव अ क्विक रिव्यू टू यू गाइज about all these conditions. Senile cataract क्या होता है? It is basically an age-related vision impairing disease, ठीक है. It is characterized by gradual progressive clouding and thickening of the lens of the eye. तो जब देख रहे होते हैं तो क्लियर नज़र नहीं आ रहा होता. मरीज़ कहता है कि जी झल्ली आ रही है आँख के आगे, या बादल बादल आ रहे हैं, क्लियर विजन नहीं होता. तो वो दिस कैन ऑल्सो कॉज ब्लाइंडनेस बाय द वे, बट इट इज़ द मोस्ट कॉमन टाइप ऑफ ट्रीटेबल ब्लाइंडनेस, ठीक है. अच्छा, ओल्ड एज में बहुत लोगों को कैटरेक्ट होता है. सेकंड पे आ गया जी ग्लोकोमा. ग्लोकोमा क्या होता है? It is basically it is a group of eye conditions that damages the optic nerve, ठीक है. Optic nerve, we all know that it is vital for good vision. Now this damage is often caused by an abnormally high pressure in the eye, ठीक है, जिसकी वजह से ग्लूकोमा हो जाता है. नेक्स्ट इज नर्व डेफनेस. अच्छा, नर्व डेफनेस या आप कह लो कि डेफनेस ड्यू टू ओल्ड एज, ठीक है. ये क्यों होती है? इट इज़ अकरिंग ड्यू टू चेंजेस इन द इनर ईयर एंड ऑडिटरी नर्व, ठीक है. तो इसलिए ऊंचा सुनाई देना शुरू हो जाता है ओल्ड एज में जाते जाते. ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस. अच्छा, पोरोसिस, पोरस बोन, ठीक है, पोरस पोरोसिस याद रख लो. वेरी सिंपल टर्म, ठीक है, बहुत सुनते हैं. It is basically a disease in which density and quality of the bone are reduced, ठीक है. As bone become more porous and fragile, the risk of fracture is greatly increased, ठीक है, which is occurring due with the increased age. ओके, अच्छा, फिर क्या है? एम्फाइजीमा. एम्फाइजीमा पता ये COPD, मतलब इट इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ क्रॉनिक ऑब्स्ट्रक्टिव पल्मोनरी डिजीज़, ठीक है. इसमें होता क्या है? इसमें शॉर्टनेस ऑफ ब्रेथ इसका मेन कॉज है. स्मोकिंग के साथ वी कैन रिलेट इट, एंड बेसिकली व्हाट हैपन्स, आपकी एयर सैक डैमेज हो जाती है. ओवर टाइम द इनर वॉल्स ऑफ एयर सैक दे वीकन एंड दे रप्चर एंड दे क्रिएट अ बिग लार्ज one big large airspace instead of small air spaces. Then there is mental changes, ठीक है. Mental changes में not every old person is encounters it, but it has a very high incidence. Like if there are 4 people in old age, then out of 4 1 will be encountering mental changes, ठीक है. mental changes में क्या क्या आ जाता है? डिमेंशिया आ जाता है, स्किज़ोफ्रेनिया, डिप्रेशन, एंग्जाइटी, ये सारी चीज़ें कोप करती हैं मेंटल एज में. बिकॉज इसकी रीज़न यही है कि एट दैट टाइम यू आर बेसिकली रिटायर्ड, यू डोंट हैव एनीथिंग टू डू, सोशल लाइफ नहीं होती, या आपके बच्चे बिजी हो गए होते हैं. सो एट दैट टाइम मेंटल चेंजेस दे प्ले अ very significant health problem in this age. And also the suicidal rate, it's very high in people with who are 85 years above worldwide, not in Pakistan. So yeah. Problems due to long term illnesses, ठीक है. Certain chronic diseases, they are more frequent among the older people than in younger people, ठीक है, like degenerative disease of the heart and blood vessels. अच्छा, इसमें क्या होता है कि अबव आफ्टर द एज ऑफ 40 degenerative diseases of the heart and blood vessels they occur, ठीक है. Basically the inner walls of arteries they break down, ठीक है, and a lipoid material is deposited, ठीक है. अच्छा, basically this material is replaced by calcium which leads to the narrowing of the blood vessels, which is also known as atherosclerosis. Now what happens, uh, this phenomena it is leading to diminished blood supply, ठीक है. जैसे कि आपको ये फ्लो चार्ट में नज़र आ रहा है, ठीक है. ब्लड सप्लाई कम हो गया, क्यों? क्योंकि नैरोइंग हो गया आर्टरीज की. ब्लड सप्लाई हैज़ डिक्रीज्ड. This will lead to thrombus formation, rupture of blood vessels and high blood pressure, ठीक है. देखें ये इवेंट्स सारे इंटर रिलेटेड हैं. ब्लड सप्लाई लो हुआ, फ्लो डायग्राम में नेक्स्ट सर्कल में देखें रप्चर ऑफ ब्लड वेसल्स हो गया उसकी वजह से, एंड ब्लड प्रेशर इज इंक्रीजिंग, ठीक है. अच्छा, अब क्या है, बेसिकली डाइट, हेरिडिटरी फैक्टर्स, ओवरवेट, नर्वस एंड इमोशनल स्ट्रेन्स, they have all been implicated to have an effect that leads to this phenomena, ठीक है. um, Cardiovascular diseases they are the major source of death in at all age group. This slide is a continuation of the previous slide, which was related to the problems associated with long-term illness in geriatric population. Okay, number one, as you can see in the diagram, it's cancers, right? So cancers, the incidence of cancers, they are increasing. It is increasing in developed countries as well as in developing countries. In old age, the most common cancer is cancer of prostate. Okay, next is accidents. Okay, old age population is more prone to accidents that are of indoor origin than the outdoor. The most common injury they face from accidents is the fracture of neck or femur. Okay, then there is, and also they are more prone to all this because their bones they are calcified due to old age. Okay, then there is diabetes. Diabetes, as you all know, that it is a long-term illness due to faulty carbohydrate metabolism. Okay, and if you look at the statistics, 75% of the population of the cases that are diabetic, out of them 75% are more than 50 years of age. Okay, then respiratory issues, we have discussed this before, ठीक है. COPD, जिसमें bronchitis, emphysema, ये वाला issues जो हैं old age population में ज़्यादा common हो जाते हैं, ठीक है. Then there is genitourinary issues, ठीक है. उसमें क्या क्या आएगा, उसमें enlargement of prostate आ जाती है, dysuria, urgency of micturition, and then nocturia, frequency आपकी बढ़ जाती है, urgency बढ़ जाती है urinate करने की. Another system is affected, that is locomotor system, ठीक है. So a wide range of articular and non-articular disorders they affect the aged population more than they affect the middle age or the younger population, right? So they are some of the locomotor system problems that aged people they face. They are rheumatoid arthritis, gout, neuritis, osteoarthritis, spondylitis of spine, fibrositis, myositis, ठीक है. So basically long term illness is affecting all the major systems of the body. Okay, apart from the health problems faced by the aged population, um, they go through psychological problems as well. Okay, so in this slide we are going to study about the psychological problems faced by geriatrics. Okay, number one is mental changes, ठीक है. Mental changes, we have discussed this before as well. They suffer from impaired memory, ठीक है. Dementia की हमने बात की थी. Then dislike of change. Old people, grandparents, they don't like changes in their environment. So okay, number one is mental changes. Number second is sexual adjustment. Between 40 and 50 years of age, there is cessation of reproduction by women, ठीक है, and diminution of sexual activity on the part of men. So during this phase, they experience irritability, jealousy, and dependency. ठीक है, okay. Next is emotional disorder. Um, Emotional disorders, they result from social maladjustment. Basically, older population, they are close to retirement, they don't have a big social circle, their children, they are busy in their lives, so they find it difficult to adapt. They don't have earnings that they can spend like they used to before, so they are dependent on other people. So yes, it's there is failure to adapt to old age. Then there is it leads to bitterness and then inner withdrawal and depression. And also, I told you guys that that's why the suicide rate in old population is greater as compared to other age groups. Healthy aging. Okay, basically by adopting a healthier lifestyle, the risk of a whole range of diseases can be reduced. ठीक है? This phenomena, this effort is known as healthy aging. Okay, what can you do? When it comes to diet or nutrition, ठीक है? A good diet reduces the chance of developing the diseases in old age. ठीक है? One of the problems that we face in today's life is excessive fat intake, right? So these, saturated fats and trans fatty acids, they have been linked to raise cholesterol levels in the blood, leading to increased risk of cardiovascular diseases, heart attacks, etc. So people, they should basically you have done this in nutrition as well. आप healthy fats लो, जो high HDL वाला है, good fat है, you consume that. But cholesterol हो गया, LDL हो गया, VLDL हो गया, avoid that. ठीक है? So throughout your life, not not when you reach old age, but throughout your life. So healthy diet is the key. Low, don't take junks, cut your sugar, things like that. Okay, then there is exercise. Exercise, basically, it helps maintain good health, and it helps to control weight. It improves emotional well-being and relieves stress, improves blood circulation, increases flexibility, lowers your blood pressure, increases your energy level. It basically boosts up your immune system as well. So exercise is very important. um, Next point is weight. Okay, overweight people, they are more prone to diseases, so it is linked with the diet. Control your diet and you will not be overweight. Okay, then there is smoking. Smoking, as we all know, it leads to hazardous effects on your health. ठीक है? Smokers, it's heavy smoking. It can lead to chronic diseases like COPD, and it affects. It has a greater effect when you reach old age. So smoking cessation. Uh, then alcohol consumption. Alcohol consumption should not, like, in as a Muslims, we are ordered not to consume alcohol at all. But for people who are uh, the Western old population, they drink alcohol in their ceremonies. They even mix it in the foods they make. If you watch Master Chef or programs like that, the use of alcohol or wine, it's very common. So alcohol concentration, decrease in alcohol concentration can lead to an increase in healthy aging, healthy lifestyle as a whole. Okay, social activities. Social activities, if old age you are socially active, it means that you will have a better mental health, which will lead to a better physical, and overall, it will nurture your soul, you can say. Okay, as we have discussed the problems that are faced by the old population, ठीक है, the government of all the countries in the world, they make certain policy for helping them to prevent all these conditions, right? So they are basically to make sure the financial security, the healthcare, nutrition, shelter, even education, and then welfare and protection programs of old people, right? So some of them are, national assistance, okay? Then home care, how do you give home care to them? Then there are old age homes, there are health services for them, and then there are pension policies. In this slide, you can see the old people. They are very happy. Because somebody is eating with a friend. A couple is walking in a park. A couple is dancing. Everybody is enjoying. They are in good health. They are flying kites. An old person you can see is with a nurse in a nursing home taking a walk. Okay? So all these giving mentioning all these slides, you can see that all these people are happy. So this is because in this world, healthy aging is very vital for countries. Why? Because if it's not if it's not the case, then there is medical and sociological problem. ठीक है, तो इसलिए to fight the depression and the diseases that we studied earlier, we need to focus on this particular area. Okay. This slide has been, this diagram or this table has been taken from your K Park. ठीक है. Um, Basically, these are the areas in which if you apply enough um, um, sources and money and your time, it can lead to preventive health in the elderly. ठीक है. Older people with disability resulting from chronic diseases, ठीक है, appear to be at high risk of acute illnesses and injuries. ठीक है, we all know this. So the evidence arrayed of the role of existing and often immutable disease argues for the importance of secondary and tertiary prevention, ठीक है, in combination with the primary screening or prevention of this population. ठीक है, अब ये आपको मैंने टेबल इसलिए दिया था so that you go through. These are the primary, secondary and tertiary preventions that can happen. ठीक है, नंबर वन प्राइमरी में अगर आप देखें तो हेल्थ हैबिट्स जो कि हमने डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, सेसेशन ऑफ स्मोकिंग, अल्कोहल अब्यूज़ नहीं, ओबेसिटी से प्रिवेंशन, गुड न्यूट्रिशन, physical activity, sleep, ठीक है. Then all the factors that are causing coronary heart disease, they should be reduced or completely diminished, finished. Then immunization in the old population, influenza, pneumovax, and then tetanus. Okay, then there is injury prevention and then osteoporosis prevention, ठीक है, by taking multivites and all. Secondary prevention में क्या क्या आ जाएगा? Secondary prevention में आ जाएगा बेटे screening for hypertension, diabetes, periodontal disease, dental caries, ठीक है, colorectal cancer, breast cancer, cervical cancer, nutritional induced anemias, depression, stress, ठीक है, fall risk, ठीक है, TBS, syphilis, stroke prevention, ये सारी secondary prevention है. ठीक है. अच्छा, उसके बाद टर्शरी में क्या क्या चीज़ें आ जाएंगी? रिहैब आ जाएगा. ठीक है, फिजिकल डेफिसिट्स को रिमूव करना, कॉग्निटिव डेफिसिट्स को, फंक्शनल डेफिसिट्स को टेक केयर करना. केयर टेकर सपोर्ट आ जाएगी, इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ सपोर्ट नेसेसरी टू प्रिवेंट लॉस ऑफ ऑटोनॉमी. ठीक है. सो whenever prevention comes, you have to divide it under 3 headings that are primary, secondary and tertiary, like we did here. Okay.